D. My name is D. D, D, D. And my sound is D. I am the fourth letter of the alphabet family. My dear friends, I have an amazing story for you. It's about a lovely girl, Dania. There was a lovely girl, Dania, and she lived on the bank of a lake. One day, while playing, Dania saw a very beautiful dog named Diggly drowning in the lake. She quickly jumped in the lake and saved Diggly the duck. Dania liked Diggly the duck very much. Dania said to the Diggly duck, "Hello, you cute little duck. I have something for you to eat." The Diggly duck became happy and cried with joy. This was Dania. Dania. Kids, did you like Dania and her Diggly duck? I also have many pretty friends. Let's meet rest of my friends.
I am a dog. Dog. I am an animal and I like to eat meat and bones. I am a beautiful pet and a dear friend.
This was dog. Dog. I am a deer. Deer. I am an animal and I love to eat fresh green grass. I have 4 legs and horns. This was deer. Deer. Come on, let's sing a beautiful song. Do, Dassy, a dassy do, to see that something upon my shoe. Yay, do, Dassy, a dassy do, to see that something upon my shoe. So friends, I have to go now. We will see each other again. Goodbye.